What we have here is a BLDC ceiling fan solution which works on 12 volts. So for the demonstration purpose, we have kept a power supply here to convert the 230 volts to the 12 volts DC, which is supplied to the fan board. This fan is actually an 8-pole BLDC motor, which runs with censored feedbacks. So we have kept the board outside for the demonstration purpose. Actually, this board goes inside the fan. And you can see that the hall sensor wires and the fan wires are routed. And now the interface to the user interface to the fan board is via IR remote. When I press the remote, actually you can see that there is a LED blinking, which indicates it has successfully received an IR data. And you can see that the current is incrementing as the fan speed is going high. You can see that it consumes around approximately 2 amps current on a 12 volt supply, which means that the fan's total power is around 24 watts. Maybe you can see the fan's speed changing as I change using my remote. You can see that the fan speed is coming down. So this is the lowest speed, or else I can switch off the fan using my remote. So when I press my remote again, you can see that it is starting back. That's a very smooth start. Ramps slowly to the 350 RPM, whatever is necessary. And it maintains that 350 RPM along the voltage range of the 230 volts. Thank you.